Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza with frozen base. Preheat your oven to the temperature on the package and position a rack in the middle. Unwrap the frozen base and let it sit 5 to 10 minutes while you gather toppings. Use a baking tray or pizza stone for crispier results and preheat the tray briefly to reduce sogginess. Be ready to bake as soon as toppings are arranged. In this step, we pick toppings and layer them smartly for even cooking. Start with a thin sauce layer and a modest amount of cheese to prevent wet spots. Scatter pre-cooked meats and quick-cooking vegetables so everything finishes together, and avoid overloading the base, which can weigh down the crust. For crisp edges, consider a light brush of olive oil on the rim and finish with dried herbs and pepper. Quick recommendation: if you like short breaks while baking, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere with excellent battery life and a glare-free screen. It fits easily on a counter and is perfect for recipe browsing between steps. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more simple kitchen tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for baking, timing and heat are everything to get a perfect crust and melted cheese. Slide the topped base onto a preheated stone or hot tray to lock in crispness, and rotate halfway if your oven heats unevenly. Keep an eye on the center and edges. Bubbling cheese and golden edges mean it is done. Let the pizza rest a couple minutes before slicing to keep toppings in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.